Hello there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, it's a pleasure having you. If you are returning, hi, my love. Thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for being here. Ignore the fact that there are captions in this video and it's also showing my TikTok account logo just because I noticed that I had recorded this through TikTok and I had no way of editing and getting this footage from TikTok without their logo. I've tried the best way I know how and it didn't work. So yeah, you will have to bear with me because guess what? I wanted to bring you along on this hike. We started our day from the business center or the visitor center and got our map, and we are going on an almost 5-mile hike on Crowder Mountain. This place is gorgeous. This place is beautiful. This is, if you didn't watch my video last week, you need to, so you can compare and see, because this place is huge and it has 2 different summits. So if you watched last week's video, we were on one other part of the trail, and that trail had a different summit. Today we are on a different trail on the other side of the mountain, and it also has a very different trail. So as you can tell, this was steeper than what we did last week. This side was steeper, hills after hills after hills. There were more rocks. The trail was very raggedy. As you can tell, my girl is like, we need a break. So yeah, we had to take a break, get her some water, give her some snacks. And at this point, we were just 2.2 miles in, and we had, I think, 250 miles to go. So yeah, Uncle had to take over, and as you can tell, we are almost on our way on top of the summit. They had these steps, very raggedy. You make sure if you're coming on these kind of trails to wear the proper kind of shoes. I saw people wearing Crocs and I'm like, I don't know what you was thinking, but Crocs like don't work best in this kind of terraces. Even my shoes were like closed toes and all that, but they still were kind of slippery on some terraces. But yeah, we move. So yeah, my girl was hyper in energy. I didn't think she would like be strong enough to finish the 5 miles, but this dog is very active and she's very strong, because we finished 5 miles and she walked up the summit and down, because that was almost like what, like 10 or 8 miles of walking, and this girl did it. We are almost at the summit. As you can tell, there is a warning that tells you that we are getting at an area that is very, very steep, and the accidents have happened. People have gotten hurt, so they ask you to proceed with caution. At this point, it had a direction that was very pet friendly. If you had dogs, you had to take a different direction. So if you wanted, you could climb the rocks to the top. This is the top of the summit where we were aiming at, and to be honest, yes, it felt like a leg day at the gym, but the views were worth it. This was so gorgeous. It was so breathtaking. I can't wait for the leaves to start change. I think in autumn or spring when the leaves change. Oh my goodness, I think this would be the most gorgeous view if you came during the time when the leaves are changing color. But still, it was breathtaking. On top of the summit, you could see Charlotte from the other side, and yeah, I wanted you guys to see all this. This is all on top of that mountain. There was so many hidden gems here and there, like places with very magnificent views of the forests, and there are like pine gardens that you could see amidst the vegetation, and you could see the roads that passed through Charlotte skyline at the extreme far or view. And yeah, I would not keep talking in the video because I want you to see what we were saying. It was really breathtaking. It was worth all the leg cramps and everything else that came with hiking up here. So I'm gonna let you enjoy this and leave me a comment. Let me know if you would literally do this kind of craziness just because you wanted to have this magnificent view. Do you like hiking? And tell me where you're watching me from. I hope to see you again in my future videos. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. We love you. Bye. Mwah. Keep watching and leave me a comment.